In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to activate night mode on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. So it's kind of night mode. If you click on it, it will be active, and then you can unmark it to switch it off. Once you want to customize your eye comfort mode, just reach the left edge of this icon, and here you can activate it right now, and here you can switch between colors. Also the intensity, it's up to you. But also you can schedule this night mode. Just tap on schedule time, and here you can pick start and end hour of this eye comfort mode. And that's it. From now on, between 9 and 8, eye comfort mode will be activated. At first it will be activated and then deactivated. So it will be just active in this period of time. You can also quickly enter it via upper bar, smoothly enroll it, and then tap on eye comfort. Then you can turn it off the same way. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.